Welcome to the Neath Taxis Driver App Invoice account tutorial. In this short video we'll show you how to accept and clear your Invoice account jobs. To accept a new job offer, press the blue button on the bottom of the screen. This takes you to the dispatch information screen, which gives you all the info you need about your current job. Note the top right-hand corner, job type is set to account. When you arrive at the pickup point, press Arrived on your driver PDA. A notification will be sent to the customer. Once the passenger is safely in the vehicle, press POB on your driver PDA and proceed with the journey. When you have arrived at your destination, press Stop on your driver PDA. This will take you through to the Payments options. Select the Account tab. Select No to return back to the driver PDA home screen, or Yes to add additional comments. Once you have typed your comment, press Done to return to the home screen. Money owed to driver from account work will come off the weekly rental and show in your driver portal. We hope you found this video helpful. If there are any other tutorials you'd like us to make, just contact the office who will be more than happy to help. Thanks for watching and stay safe out there.